Hello guys, in this video we will see what is packet loss in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step on understanding. Packet loss in Warzone content. Packet loss occurs when data, packets sent between your gaming device and the game server fail to reach their destination. In Call of Duty Warzone, this manifests as frustrating gameplay issues such as rubber banding characters, teleporting back and forth hit registration, problems where shots don't seem to land, sudden stuttering, and general unresponsiveness. It's a critical network issue that severely hinders competitive play and overall enjoyment, indicating a breakdown in the smooth flow of data essential for a real-time online game. Step by identifying packet loss within Warzone content. Warzone provides in-game telemetry to help players diagnose network issues. To confirm packet loss, enable the detailed network statistics in your game settings, often under interface or account network. Look for specific icons or numerical percentages displayed on your screen during gameplay. A common indicator is a square icon with two broken lanes. If you see a percentage greater than for packet loss, especially consistent spikes, then you are experiencing this problem, and it's not simply general lag or a low frame rate. Step basic network troubleshooting steps. Content begin by addressing the most common and easily fixable network culprits. First, perform a full restart of your router and modem by unplugging them for at least seconds before plugging them back in. This clears temporary caches and reestablishes a fresh connection. Second, switch to a wired Ethernet connection if you are currently using Wi-Fi, as wireless signals are prone to interference and instability. Third, close any other applications on your network or device that might be consuming significant bandwidth, such as streaming services, large downloads, or other online games. Step for advanced router ISP investigations. Content if basic steps don't resolve the issue. Delve deeper into your network configuration. Check your router's firmware to ensure it is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause performance issues. Consider enabling quality of service pros settings on your router, if available, and prioritize your gaming device or Warzone's network traffic. You might also try changing your DNS servers to public ones like Google DNS or Cloudflare, as default DNS can sometimes be slower or less reliable. If packet loss persists, contact your internet service provider and report the issue, as it could be a problem with their line or network routing to the game servers. Step the game-specific system optimizations. Content beyond your core network. Some game and system-level factors can contribute to perceived packet loss. Ensure your network drivers are up to date. If you are using a virtual private network, try disabling it, as can introduce additional latency and routing issues that mimic or cause packet loss. Verify that Warzone itself and your game launcher, a Battle.net, are fully updated, and consider verifying the integrity of your game files through the launcher to fix any corrupted data. While not directly related to packet loss, reducing in-game graphics settings can sometimes improve overall system stability, which can indirectly alleviate symptoms. If your system is struggling to keep up